Hello, I'm Makayla's drawing. Today we'll be drawing a chick. First, let's start with its head. Remember to draw the best circle you can do. Yeah, perfect. Let's do its eyes. And another eye. They're so big so we can draw hearties inside. Then a beak with hearties. Oh, it's already looking so cute. Oh, so I don't know, it's so cute. So lucky that we know how to draw it. But it's so cute. Should we draw another heart inside them? Nah, I think that's a bad idea. Let's just keep one hearty. Maybe you can draw two hearties, but if you want to draw a hearty inside, you have to draw a really big one so the other one can actually fit in. Aww, it's so cute. It's already just so cute. Can you believe it? We're drawing such a cute chick. Don't do it all the way. There. Let's do each other wing at this side of it. Oh, it's already looking so cute, even though we haven't coloured it in. Now, let's have some orange for this one here. This wing is a bit darker, and yellow is a bit yellow is a bit lighter than orange. Isn't it just so cute? Remember, don't colour in the wing. We're going to colour it a different colour. But still yellow, it's just a darker yellow. Just around it and its head. Oh, don't colour in the hearty eyes because they're meant to be white. But it's just so cute. Okay then. Let's keep colouring. 3, 2, 1, we're finished with body. Now let's start with the head. No, we don't colour in the eyes or these hearties. We don't want them to be coloured. Just around it. Yes, we're nearly done. Tra-la-la-la-la-la, tra-li-la-li, tra-li-la-li-la-la, tra-li-la-li. So, yeah, I think we're nearly done. Oh, it's just so cute. I cannot believe it. Try not to get out the lines like I did. A good trick not to get out the lines is to go super near the lines really carefully to make sure you don't go out the lines. And then once you're finished, you can just colour. You haven't gone out the lines, and it's like a barrier to protect the other side. Like now, no lines. See? It actually works. Let's get a bit of practice. Now let's colour the wing a bit differently. There. perfect. Wait, even better than perfect. It's cute. It's so better than cute. It's perfectly cute, amazing, wonderful. I don't know. It's just so good. Even you're good. You're good at drawing. This cutie chick. It's so cute. Now let's colour in the rest. Now that's just what we're going to do with the other leg. The same thing as we did is the head and each other left leg. For your eyes, it may seem like the right, but it's actually the left. So let's see, red here. There. Make sure to subscribe and like. Jesus loves you.